Good afternoon, everyone. This is Vijay from Valalar College of Education. I'm here with a topic non-verbal communication. Actually, non-verbal communication is the transmission of messages or signals through a non-verbal platform such as eye contact. We can call facial expressions, gestures, posture, use of objects, and body language. It's nothing but the process of communication through sending and receiving wordless messages. Wordless messages. Kindly note it out. There's a famous quote: actions speak louder than words. Here, action stands for our body movements. Nonverbal communication is all about the body language of the speaker and does not make use of words. Communication other than oral and written, such as body gesture, eye contact, body language, posture, tone of voice, or facial expressions, is called nonverbal communication. It helps the receiver in better interpretation of the message. And through signs, symbols, without words, we can easily communicate. That is nonverbal communication. We have different aspects. Let me list it out one by one. Kinesics, facial expression, head, eye gaze, gestures, posture, shape of body, personal appearance, adornment. So, based on all these things, that is, with the help of all these things, we can convey the message without words. And so, a survey is saying that through words we are conveying 10% of message, and through tone of voice we can convey 40% of message, and through body language we can communicate 50% of message, right? And let's see one by one in detail now. The first thing is through gestures and postures. Yes, of course, it's it's an interesting one, and without gestures, it's highly impossible to convey a message. So it may be handshaking or thumbs up or asking some person to be quiet. So all these things will come under this gestures and postures. Haptics. Haptics is nothing but it's a study of touch. That is, while conveying a message out of emotions, we can touch another person. If a father can touch his daughter, a friend can console his friend, another one, a master can tap his servant or appreciate his servant. So, like that, haptics also plays an important role in this non-verbal. Then personal appearance adornment, that also it can also point out some religious and cultural values. The next important thing is eye gaze. So through eyes also we can convey some message, and especially it's trend now, right? Through eyes we can convey the message. We can show different feelings, that is the anger, grudge, dangerous, fear, everything. Even we can show that sense of love also, right? Through this eye gaze, right? And now the head. With the head also, we can convey the message by moving our head up and down, or in all the sideways. We can convey the message. The next one is proxemics. Proxemics means it's nothing but a space. That is, while conveying a message, the listener and the receiver, that is the sender and the listener should have some distance, should have some space between them, right? So it depends upon their bonding. If the master and servant means, there should be some relation, some distance. If a teacher and a student means, there will be some distance. If two friends are conveying means, or conversing with each other means, there should be some distance, right? So the distance, that proxemics will differ based on the bonding between the sender and the receiver. And facial expression, this is what we are familiar with, right? So face, with that we can easily convey our happiness, sadness, anger, fear, and etc. And signs also, as I told you that gestures, this signs also helps us. And silence, this is the very important non-verbal behavior. With this we can indicate a disagreement or a respect, intentional rudeness, or it may put some pressure on the other person. We can indicate this empathy. So all these things, the silence, it can be used in so many aspects. So these all are the different aspects of non-verbal communication. So thank you so much. Let's wait for the next video with another interesting topic.